Hello everyone. Today I am unboxing our new document camera, the Nugens PortaCam V600. So, let's see what's inside the box. Upon opening, we'll first see a USB Type-C cable. Next, we have the V600 document camera. It's foldable. Let's put it aside for now. Going further inside, we find our exclusive CamSwitcherPro conference software. There's a serial number on the back. You can use it once registered. Next, we have the warranty card. You can log into our website, register, and get a 1+1 year warranty. Then we have the V600 user manual. It has two connection modes, HDMI mode and USB PC mode. Now let me talk about the HDMI mode. In HDMI mode, the V600 connects directly to a projector or monitor, and you don't need to operate it via a computer. Since the V600 needs power in HDMI mode, we need to prepare a USB plug for power. Plug in the USB Type-A end into the plug, and the other Type-C end into the PC port on the V600 for power. Once the V600 lights up, it means it's successfully powered. Next, take the HDMI cable from the monitor or projector and plug it into the HDMI out port on the V600. Now you can see our screen is on. Prepare the document you need to capture. There is a mirror button to adjust the direction. Initially, the screen might be flipped, so you can use this button to make it right side up. We can see the image is very clear, and there is no ghosting. There is a capture button. Pressing this button will freeze the image on the screen. Now, no matter how I move the document, the image remains fixed. This function is useful when you want to turn the page without making the viewers feel dizzy. Once I have the new page ready, I press the button again to return to the live view, making the presentation smoother and more visually appealing. There's also a save button that requires a TF card to use. The functions are very simple and easy to use. Here we have zoom in and zoom out buttons for the image. Then there's a switch for the ambient light. If you find it too bright, you can turn it off. There's also an LED light near the camera that you can turn on or off as needed. The USB mode requires connecting to a computer. Plug the USB Type-A end into the computer's USB port for power and connection. Once connected, let's open the CamSwitcherPro software. Select V600 and click Confirm. The image will then appear on the screen. You can press AF to refocus. The software allows you to take photos, record videos, and use various classroom functions, making it a perfect tool to meet teachers' needs. That's the end of today's unboxing. Thank you.